Hi everybody. Now, I have this cute Chloe Bratz doll. You can get them at Walmart, and this is Chloe as an adult. She has a cute blue shirt, blue pants with some purple in it, and these shoes are so colorful. I would really wear them in real life. And it's Chloe as a kid. It's not that different from the regular outfit. And there's a cool cartoon picture of her on the back. Please mind the background. It's just people talking, but this is Chloe as a cartoon, and then her as a kid, the cartoons, and they're just so neat. So it's not Sasha, Yasmin, Chloe, or Jade or anything. So it's new dolls. It's Shira, Roxy, Yasmin, Chloe, and Phoebe. Yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it. So that's the whole cool doll. She's really pretty, so they're cheap. Alright, bye. Gotta go.